Chapter 10 Monkey and the Drum. In the forest near Jabalpur, there was a little monkey who could speak and sing. One day he was playing on a tree in the forest. While jumping from one tree to another, a thorn stuck to its tail. It gave severe pain to the monkey, so it went to the town. On its way, he met a man with a knife. The monkey requested him to remove the thorn from his tail. The man agreed, and he tried to remove the thorn using his knife. Unfortunately, the tail got cut. The monkey became very sad and angry. He told the man, "You have cut my tail with the knife, so you give me the knife. If you don't, I will pinch you." The man agreed immediately and gave his knife to the monkey. Monkey jumped here and there and started singing, "Lost I my tail, but I got a knife. Dum, dum, dum." While he was going here and there, he met another man who was carrying a basket of mangoes. The poor man did not have a knife to cut the mangoes. So, when he saw that the monkey had a knife, he asked the monkey, "Could you please give your knife to me? I will cut and eat a mango and give it back to you." The monkey agreed and gave the knife to him. That man started to cut the mango. Unfortunately, the knife broke even while he was cutting the first mango. The monkey shouted at him, "You broke my knife, so you give me all the mangoes. If you do not, I will pinch you." The man got scared and gave the monkey his basket of mangoes. The monkey carried the basket of mangoes on his head and sang, "Lost I my tail, but I got a knife. Dum, dum, dum. Lost I my knife, but I got lot of mangoes. Dum, dum, dum." While it was going like this, the monkey met a musician with his pipe. The poor musician was very hungry, so when he saw the monkey carrying mangoes, he asked, "Dear monkey, I am very hungry. Can you give me a few mangoes?" The monkey agreed and gave the basket of mangoes to him. The musician was very hungry, and so he ate all the mangoes in the basket. This made monkey very angry. He told the musician, "You have finished off all my mangoes. I do not like it at all. So you give me your pipe, otherwise I will bite you." The musician did not like it, but being afraid of the monkey, gave him his pipe. The monkey now sang, "Lost I my tail, but I got a knife. Dum, dum, dum. Lost I my knife, but I got a lot of mangoes. Dum, dum, dum. Lost I my mangoes, but I got a pipe to sing. Dum, dum, dum." When it was going like this, it met a drummer who badly wanted a pipe to sing along with his drum. He asked the monkey, "I have only a drum, but if I play the pipe along with the drum, it would be nice. Can you give your pipe to me?" The monkey agreed. When the drummer tried to play the pipe, it got spoiled. This made the monkey very angry. He told the drummer, "You have spoiled my pipe, so please give me your drum, otherwise I will scratch you." The drummer was afraid of the monkey and gave the drum to him. The monkey now sang, "Lost I my tail, but I got a knife. Dum, dum, dum. Lost I my knife, but I got a lot of mangoes. Dum, dum, dum. Lost I my mangoes, but I got a pipe to sing. Dum dum dum. Lost I my pipe, but I got a drum. Dum dum dum. Since the monkey liked the drum very much, it did not give it to anybody.